How come everything I love always burns me in my reality? In my head I make up the ending, but it always turns out a tragedy. Help me, can you fucking help me? I've been all alone if you're asking me. Don't run me down, don't run me down. On a road to nowhere, on a low, I wish that you would fucking go there with me. Give me strength and to pick me up. You're the 7 sins that is in my blood. Watch me overdose, show you everything I'm hiding, shit that no one knows. I can see a future spiraling until we comatose. I don't know, but I like to know. How come everything I love always burns me in my reality? In my head I make up the ending, but it always turns out a tragedy. Help me, can you fucking help me? I've been all alone if you're asking me. Don't run me down, don't run me down. Me, myself and I can set a damn thing straight. Looking back I wish I never ran this way. It's hard to fill the void when you can't escape. Ain't a damn thing changed. Now watch me overdose, show you everything I'm hiding, shit that no one knows. I can see a future spiraling until we comatose. I don't know, but I like to know. How come everything I love always burns me in my reality? In my head I make up the ending, but it always turns out a tragedy. Help me, can you fucking help me? I've been all alone if you're asking me. Don't run me down, don't run me down.
Just take a back seat like you lost the shotgun. Hopped up on rocks, popping Oxycontin. I'm not gonna fail, figure's not an option. My soul is lost, but it's not forgotten. Got lots of problems, too many heads are talking, and I ain't gonna stop till they drop the coffin. Look at me, you think that life's been good to me? You judge and throw the book at me, the devil's got his motherfucking hooks in me.
I push myself to the edge, looking for the end, hoping this time I won't break. I push myself to the edge, feel it in my chest.
None of y'all can stand in my way. I push myself to the edge, looking for the end, hoping this time I won't break. I push myself to the edge, feel it in my chest. None of y'all can stand in my way. I push myself to the edge, better come correct when you're standing up in my face. I push myself to the edge, looking for the end, hoping this time I won't break.
One's a zero, one's undead.
Trying to find a reason, it's hard with the static. The situation getting a little fucking drastic. Chop these bitches up like I used to be an addict. Shots to the dope, bitch, I'm fucking automatic. Got a trigger in my head and a mouth full of bullets. And I'll slaughter all you bitches just as soon as I pull it. Don't check me unless you wanna check out. We were born dead, so I guess we're all dead now.
Push myself to the edge, looking for the end, hoping this time I won't break. I push myself to the edge, feel it in my chest.
None of y'all can stand in my way.
Here I go, moving in, coming in, buying me, losing my mind. Fuck this, fuck everything. Stop trying to test me, it's a liability. Nothing you can say, I wanna end this reality. Better for the bullshit, all I do is lie.
The higher that I get, the harder that I fall when I fall down. The all my What is my free will if I lie helpless? I want all in the pain, I'm selfish. All my real ones, I know that they felt this pain that's endless. I wish that they took me first, but my loved ones written on a t-shirt, in a clean suit, riding in a cheap purse. Wish that it was reverse, waiting for the rebirth. Won't you take me instead? Won't you aim for my head? If there's heaven waiting, they'll beg me for my forgiveness. Won't you take me instead? When I wake from my rest, if there's heaven waiting, they'll beg me for my forgiveness. Won't you take me instead? I was holding in my last breath, folding in when all the coldest shit in my life took a fast left. Watch you bleeding on the way you seemed to look at me like I was half dead, but I just couldn't accept. I just couldn't act like everything was fine with you and now we're past that. But I would take the pain for you in the heart, but to take it from me better bring up and on me. Selfishly I felt that how we seen was just enough for you to have to leave it alone. I'm not sorry, I'm not ready to give it this easy. I rip my heart in front of my chest while I turn my back where you need me. Won't you take me instead? Won't you aim for my head? If there's heaven waiting, they'll beg me for my forgiveness. Won't you take me instead? When I wake from my rest, if there's heaven waiting, they'll beg me for my forgiveness. Won't you take me instead? What is my free will if I lie helpless? I want all in the pain, I'm selfish. All my real ones, I know that they felt this pain that's endless.